First of all, you need a phone with a decent camera. In my case, I'm currently using Pixel 7 Pro. Previously, I used Poco X3 NFC. Then to attach external lenses, I'm using this APEXEL phone lens universal clip. This is the best one I have found so far. This is compatible with many phone models and have a solid attachment with a good build quality. This supports not only APEXEL lenses, but many other lens models. For macro photos, my all-time favorite is Martisen 120mm macro lens. This creates sharp, crisp macro photos. I'm using this lens for relatively bigger subjects like flowers and bigger butterflies. This lens is not suitable if you're intended to take photos of smaller insects. This size of the lens is compact mostly. I'm taking this lens with me.
Here is a small demo on the lens performance.
In each image, find your way. For life's a gallery, pure and true. A world explored, each shot with you. Take your mobile, step outside. Capture life with arms spread wide. Every moment, every scene, a tapestry of where you've been.
Next, for smaller subjects, I'm using Foles or Ulanzi 75mm macro lens. This lens is a bit bigger as size and suitable for smaller subjects like small insects. With 2x zoom-in camera, you can generate pretty decent photos.
Click the shutter, freeze the time. Mountains tall and oceans prime. City streets and quiet woods.
Here is a small demo on the lens performance.
Smile at strangers, laugh with friends. Life in snapshots never ends. A sequence running day to night. In pictures we find endless light. Capture beauty, seize the day.
Next tool I'm using is smartphone handle grip from Ulanzi. This has few models. I'm using UURIG PH10, which has a LED light that can adjust brightness into 3 levels, and removable Bluetooth button. This handle grip helps you to avoid shaking and control brightness in macro photos. Try it. Another handy tool to have for a mobile photography enthusiast.
See the world through lenses bright. Colors vivid, pure delight. From sunrise hues to twilight's glow. Each frame a story yet to show. Click the shutter, freeze
Here is
the
a small
time.
demo.
Mountains tall and oceans prime. City streets and quiet woods. Memories crafted, understood. Smile at strangers, laugh with friends. Life in snapshots never ends. A sequence running day to night. In pictures we find endless light. Capture beauty, seize the day. In each image find your way. For life's a gallery, pure and true. A world explored, each shot with you. Take your mobile, step outside. Capture life with arms spread wide. Every moment, every scene, a tapestry of where you've been. See the world through lenses bright.
Next, for telephoto shots, or to get an extra zoom, I'm using a APEXEL 6x 0.3-meter closest focus telescope optics lens. I'm not going to detail here on this lens. I have a separate video on this lens. Please have a look. I will mention the link in the description.
City streets and quiet woods. Memories crafted, understood. Smile at strangers, laugh with friends. Life in snapshots never ends. A sequence running day to night. In pictures we find endless light. Capture beauty, seize the day. In each image find your way. For life's a gallery, pure and true. A world explored, each shot with you. Take your mobile, step outside. Capture life with arms spread wide. Every moment, every scene, a tapestry of where you've been. See the world through lenses bright. Colors vivid.
Next, you need a tripod or monopod. I'm using Ulanzi MT44 Extend Tripod. This is a quality tripod available on the market, suitable for mobiles. I'm not going to detail here on this item too. I have a separate detailed video on this in my channel. Please have a look. I will mention the link in the description. Hetty, don't forget to subscribe my channel.
Smile at strangers, laugh with friends. Life in snapshots never ends. A sequence running day to night. In pictures we find endless light. Capture beauty, seize the day. In each image find your way. For life's a
Lastly, you need to have a mobile gimbal. I'm using DJI Osmo Mobile SE. I will do a detailed review on this in future. And there are a ton of reviews on the internet too. I will share product links in the description from AliExpress. Hey, I'm not getting any commission from this. Just if you are interested, have a look. Good luck. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to see more mobile photography contents.
Colors vivid, pure delight. From sunrise hues to twilight's glow. Each frame a story yet to show. Click the shutter, freeze the time. Mountains tall and oceans prime. City streets and quiet woods. Memories crafted, understood. Smile at strangers, laugh with